In this video, I'll show you how to print Cash App QR code. It's really easy and simple to do this actually. So all you need to do first is you need to go ahead and open up Cash App on your phone. And then you just need to tap on your profile icon in the top right corner, scroll down, and I want you to go ahead and select QR code. Okay? That will basically display your unique QR code. So what you need to do now is save the QR code to your device. So you can tap on the share icon, okay? Or take a screenshot of your QR code. And if available, you can also go ahead and select it, save image to download it directly. And the QR code will now be in your phone's gallery or files. Now, if needed, you can transfer the QR code to a computer. There's multiple ways to do this. You can email the QR code to yourself and download this. You can actually send an email to yourself. You can just put in your same email and send it to yourself. You can use AirDrop if you're using Mac or Google Drive to transfer the image, right? You can also use USB transfer if you prefer a wired connection. And then you just open up the QR code on your computer or phone, right? Tap on the print option. Okay, if you want to do a command for this, on Windows it's Control+P or Command+P on Mac. And then just adjust the size settings if needed, and then just select your printer and then just tap on print. Okay, it's really that easy and simple. So I hope this guide provided value to you, and if it did, consider smashing that like button as well as subscribing to frequently asked questions, and I'll see you guys in the next one.